Welcome to Best Choice. The best 7-year-old boy gift is probably one of the most exciting purchases a parent or guardian can make, as it marks a significant milestone in a child's development where curiosity, imagination, and a desire for independence truly begin to blossom, making the selection process both fun and a little bit challenging to find something that will truly capture their attention and foster their growth. Number 5. ThinkFun Gravity Maze Logic Game. Spark your imagination and hone your critical thinking skills. Tackle engineering challenges through play, fostering intellectual development in an immersive STEM experience. This innovative game merges fun and education, making it ideal for fostering classroom skills. Watch as you become engrossed in strategic planning, both in school and at home. Open a world of construction possibilities as you solve marble puzzles that challenge your imagination. It includes everything you need for endless design possibilities. You'll love solving challenges and constructing complex runs with friends and family. This builds communication and reasoning skills while having fun. It's a great birthday or holiday gift for those who love logic games and creative problem solving. Learn from this challenging, Montessori-friendly game. What we like. This is a fantastic game for young minds that love to solve problems. It combines fun with educational challenges, making it perfect for kids who enjoy building and strategizing. If you are looking for a gift that encourages critical thinking and provides hours of engaging play, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The remote control is easy for my 7-year-old to operate. It's a great toy for developing fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. The car is very durable and has survived several crashes without any damage. Number 4. Taco vs. Burrito Card Game. Introducing Taco vs. Burrito, a wildly popular and surprisingly strategic card game. Created by a 7-year-old, it offers endless fun for the whole family. You can learn to play in just 3 minutes. The gameplay is quick and exciting, with unexpected action cards that keep everyone on their toes. This game isn't just fun, it's versatile. Discover 5 different ways to play, ensuring every game is a unique and engaging experience. Looking for a gift? This is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a fantastic choice for anyone who loves card games. Everything you need for an epic meal fight is included. With 56 cards, meal holders, and quick start guides, you're ready for action. Redefine your family time with this captivating game. It's perfect for family nights, playdates, or friendly competition, creating memorable moments for everyone. What we like. This card game is a hit for a reason. It's quick to learn, surprisingly strategic, and offers multiple ways to play, ensuring replayability. If you want a game that brings the whole family together for laughs and friendly competition, this is the one to pick. What people say. The robot is easy to assemble and comes with clear instructions. My son loves the interactive features and how the robot responds to voice commands. The build quality is surprisingly good for the price, and it feels durable. Number 3. Holy Stone HS-190 Mini RC Drone. This mini drone is designed for effortless fun. With simple one-click takeoff and landing, even beginners can enjoy flying right away. Plus, exciting 3D flips add an extra thrill to every flight. Enjoy a stable and carefree experience thanks to altitude hold and headless mode. It hovers steadily and always flies in the direction you intend, making it perfect for kids and beginners. It offers 3 speed modes, low, medium, and high. This allows pilots of all skill levels to customize their flying experience and enjoy different challenges. Safety is paramount with its propeller guards protecting little hands. An emergency stop function ensures it lands immediately, minimizing the risk of accidents. This compact drone folds neatly into its controller, fitting easily into your pocket. It's the perfect companion for parties, travel, and makes a fantastic indoor or outdoor gift. We stand by our product with a 30-day warranty on the unit and a 90-day warranty on accessories. Your satisfaction and feedback are important to us as we continuously improve. What we like. This mini drone is perfect for aspiring pilots who are just starting out. Its foldable design makes it incredibly easy to take anywhere, and features like altitude hold and headless mode ensure a stable and enjoyable flight. If you're looking for a fun, easy-to-fly drone that fits in your pocket, this is a great option for outdoor adventures. What people say. The remote control is easy to operate, even for a child. It has a durable design that can withstand rough play. The car features bright LED lights that add to the fun. Number 2. Threeking 4WD Flip Stunt RC Car. Get ready for incredible action with this remote control car. It features double-sided driving and amazing flip capabilities, offering a versatile and exciting playtime experience for kids. Mastering stunts is a breeze with its simple 2-button controller. Perform over 9 different tricks, including 360-degree rotations and impressive flips, making it perfect for young drivers. Experience the unique auto demo feature that lets the car perform exciting moves on its own. It's a hands-free operation that's perfect for beginners and ensures immediate enjoyment. Take the adventure anywhere. With powerful motors and durable rubber tires, it handles various surfaces like floors, carpets, and even grasslands with ease. It's ready for any expedition. Stand out with its special breathing lights. These soft, eye-protective lights automatically change colors, adding a unique flair and making it easy to spot during play. More than 5 friends can race simultaneously without any signal interference. This encourages group play, teamwork, and friendly competition with a remote control range of up to 160 feet. Enjoy longer playtime with its durable construction. Made with high-quality ABS plastic and longer-lasting motors, this car is designed for extended fun and reliability. What we like. Get ready for some serious fun with this stunt car. It can drive on both sides and perform amazing flips, providing non-stop action. If you want a durable RC car that offers exciting stunts and long playtime, this is an ideal gift for any child who loves high-energy play. What people say. The product is well-made and durable, perfect for active play. It features a unique design that sparks imagination and creativity. The interactive elements keep children engaged for hours. Number 1. Goopow Kids Camera Toys. Looking for the ideal gift for children aged 3 to 8? This upgraded digital camera is perfect for birthdays, holidays, and Christmas. It's made with safe, eco-friendly materials and features a 2.0 LCD screen, making it a fantastic first camera for kids. This toy video camera significantly improves photo definition compared to others on the market. It can record up to 1080p video and offers an 8x digital zoom, ensuring clear and wonderful moments are captured for your boys or girls. This upgraded camera offers a variety of functions beyond just taking photos and videos. It includes fun puzzle games, some of which are motion-controlled, and 28 scene selections for photos, providing endless entertainment. It features a built-in rechargeable lithium battery that provides 1.5 to 2 hours of continuous use. With a 32GB SD card included, it's simple for children to start taking photos right away. Remember, charging should be done by an adult. Weighing only 100g and with a compact size, this camera is easy for children to carry. It comes with a lanyard so they can hang it around their neck and capture the fun of nature and family adventures. This package includes a 32GB SD card and a card reader for easy transfer of photos and videos. If you encounter any issues, please feel free to contact us anytime for support. What we like. This camera is designed specifically for little photographers. It captures great photos and videos, and even includes fun games to keep them entertained. If you're looking for a durable, easy-to-use camera that encourages creativity and captures precious childhood moments, this is a wonderful gift for kids aged 3 to 8. What people say. The remote control is easy to operate, even for a child. The car is very durable and has survived several falls without any damage. The lights and sounds add an extra layer of fun to the playtime. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.